USCIS announces major policy change effective September 1, 2025. Latest U.S. immigration news. Big news is coming for anyone involved in the U.S. immigration system. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, better known as USCIS, has just announced a major policy change set to take effect on September 1, 2025. If you're an immigrant, a petitioner, or just interested in U.S. immigration updates, this change could directly impact your application process, timelines, and eligibility requirements. In this video, we'll break down exactly what the policy change involves, who it affects, and what steps you should take now to prepare. Stick around because understanding this update could save you time, money, and a lot of unnecessary stress. So, what's the big change? Starting September 1, 2025, USCIS will implement new processing standards that will affect a broad range of immigration benefits and petitions. The goal is to streamline certain applications while tightening scrutiny on others to reduce fraud and improve efficiency. This means faster decisions for some categories but more rigorous documentation and eligibility checks for others. One of the most significant adjustments relates to employment-based visas, including H-1B, L-1, and certain green card petitions. USCIS plans to introduce enhanced verification procedures, requiring more detailed evidence of job qualifications, employer legitimacy, and wage standards. This could extend processing times for some applicants but ultimately aims to protect American workers and ensure compliance with immigration laws. Another major focus of the policy change is on family-based immigration. USCIS will revise the criteria for certain family petitions, particularly those involving extended relatives and certain FIANG visas. They're tightening the rules to combat fraudulent claims and strengthen the integrity of family reunification programs. So, who exactly does this affect? Essentially, anyone filing for immigration benefits under employment or family categories should take note. If you're planning to submit an application after September 1, 2025, you will be subject to these new rules. This includes employers sponsoring foreign workers, individuals applying for permanent residency through family connections, and those seeking temporary work visas. What does this mean for your application process? First, expect more thorough documentation requirements. USCIS will be asking for more proof to verify your eligibility. That means extra paperwork. Think detailed job descriptions, pay stubs, contracts, tax documents, and more. It's crucial to get your documentation in order well before applying. Second, processing times may vary. While some categories might benefit from faster decisions thanks to streamlined steps, others could experience delays because of increased scrutiny. Planning ahead and being patient will be key. Third, legal guidance is more important than ever. Navigating these changes without expert advice could lead to mistakes, denials, or unnecessary delays. If you're unsure how the new rules affect your case, consult with an immigration attorney or accredited representative to prepare thoroughly. Are there any exceptions or special considerations? Yes, USCIS has stated that certain humanitarian and refugee-related categories will not be affected by these changes. They recognize the sensitivity of these cases and want to ensure protections remain intact. Additionally, there will be a grace period allowing some pending applications filed before September 1, 2025, to be processed under the previous rules. But after that, all new filings must comply with the updated policy. What should you do now? If you're planning to apply for any USCIS benefit in the coming year, start gathering your documents early. Review your case carefully and consider seeking legal advice to ensure you meet the new standards. If you're an employer sponsoring workers, it's time to review your hiring and documentation processes. Ensure your employment offers, contracts, and payroll records are accurate and complete to avoid complications. And for those with pending applications, stay informed about the status and any updates from USCIS. Sometimes policy changes come with new forms or requests for additional evidence, so prompt responses are essential. To wrap up, the USCIS policy change effective September 1, 2025, represents a significant shift in how immigration benefits are processed. It aims to balance efficiency with integrity, but it also means applicants and sponsors need to be more prepared and diligent than ever before.